My new job is to follow this and pick up any bits that fall on the road. Just walking along. So good morning. We're have a day off and it's actually blue skies and sunny. So we've stopped at the Honesty Box to
One on the way to 90 Mile Beach and people keep on about good stuff.
yeah, so brownies, limes, persimmons. Not bothered about persimmons.
Limes are so expensive here, so
Good. Let's get a bag of limes
limes are $2
and get some brownies. So you can get a brownie pack for 5 or a single brownie for 2. I don't know. That's good though. But yeah, our plan is to go to beach on our day off. We're gonna go to what is it?
Rarawa
Beach.
Beach and maybe Henderson Bay as well for a nice chill. Maybe a swim if it's nice.
I plan to try and swim. And then yeah, we're just gonna make the most of the glorious sunshine and cookies.
So we are just making our way down to Rarawa Beach through the countryside and the gravel. But it's such a nice day. Want to go for a swim? It's coming up to the beach. Started to get sandy. Oh, actual sand.
Yes.
Maybe we don't walk it. It's a car park.
Yeah.
Because you can actually drive on the beach on this side as well. Pretty.
The sunshine definitely helps as well.
Like white silica sand, so it's fully powdery. Stunning beach. This is Rarawa. You can actually also drive onto here as well.
I've been overall surprised by the quality of the beaches. I knew they were decent, but they've been remarkable in some places. Like this is the whitest like silica-based sand ever. So it's the squeaky sand. But yeah, we're probably going to try and go down to the lagoon. May not be able to hear me. The wind's picking up a little bit. Still very warm now. So we parked up Johnny, and we've gone down to the south bit next to the DOC campsite. The DOC? Yeah. But we're in the day parking bit. And now we're just gonna walk through a slightly muddy forest and get to the south bit where the lagoon is. See if we can actually go for a swim there. We're gonna check it out first though, before we commit to everything. Yeah, it's just such a nice day. We realised that yesterday was the first day since we've been in this area that we had no rain. We had days where we had very little rain, but it always rained a little bit. Yesterday, no rain. So good.
It's following the path to the south end of Rarawa Beach. It's like a little inlet bit. That's the DOC camp over there. No. you it clear.
Bird nesting site. So unlike the other area, you can't actually drive on this bit. I mean, you wouldn't want to drive on this bit, but still, it's nice.
So squeaky. So the southern end of Rarawa, there's this lagoon. It's better for swimming in. It's a bit coppery, but it's very still. Definitely looks nice for swimming.
Yeah.
And it's way less windy here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go make some lunch and bring it back here?
Yeah, and get changed.
So yeah, we're probably going to swim in this lagoon, which is very pretty, and then the offshoot of the ocean there. So we're probably going to go from there to there, but we need to go get stuff. But I'm going to put you guys away. So yeah, we're going to enjoy this.
We had a very nice chill time at the beach.
Really nice.
Nice little dip. More in the lagoon bit than the sea.
Yeah, it was quite covered in kind of, well, brown water because there's a lot of tree foliage and stuff in it. So it's almost become a giant like tea bath.
Yeah, it was nice and clear still though. It's just like that kind of coppery colour. Yeah, and then we had a nice picnic and chill on the beach for a while. We're gonna go and check out Henderson Bay because it's just down on the way back to the holiday park. The sun might not be there anymore because it kind of moves over to the other coast. But yeah, gonna go see what it's like so we can go there another day if it's nice. Come join. Hey. Pretty. Gonna head that way just to have a look. It's a bit windy.
Wait a second.
Pretty. And that looks much flatter this side because we're the other side of the peninsula. Yeah, it's nice and flat. Don't know if I'm warm enough to swim now. Henderson Bay. Good morning. It's a lovely sunny Saturday. They just popped to the library. He's going to spend his morning there. But I'm going to go and check out the farmers market in Kaitaya. So I will bring you along. The market done. Now back to the library. Weekend library.
And it was coupled with that Sunday window, like a baby in there.
It's bubbles alone. But that would be please.
Full on cooking going on.
So we're gonna.
Oh wow! Chilled Sunday morning with rugby, coffee, and bacon.
Alex has become the chicken whisperer. She didn't do anything, she just stood there. And they all came a running. Plus we got a friend. Hello. Wait, what's that?
All the trinkets think I have something.